RBDigital provides a library of over 25,000 digital audiobooks that you can check out, with more being added every month. If you'd like to get started using this service, first you'll need to create an account. To do that, we're going to go to the RBDigital website. You can find it by going to cals.org, clicking Discover, and then clicking I want to listen to an audiobook. There you'll find a link to the RBDigital website. Once there, you can bookmark the site in order to be able to come back to it quickly and easily without going to the CALS website. If you have an account, you can use Sign In here, but otherwise you'll want to register to get your account set up. You'll need to fill in a few details. First, pick a username. Then put in a password. And finally, your library card. And lastly, a few details about yourself. Click to accept the terms of use and privacy policy. And finally, click Register to actually register for your account. You're now set up and ready to go. And you can download any of various ways to access the RBDigital material, from desktop apps that you can use on a PC or a Mac, to the mobile apps that you can use on a Kindle, an Android, or iPhone. You can also just use the website and look for things there.